Hi, I'm Houmin Li. I'm from Uniz 3D. I'm about to show you how our printer, the Slash 3D printer works. So the resin was drawn from the resin tank and is controlled by this resin sensor. It keeps the resin at optimal level. And then the platform goes down to the mat. It starts building the first layer, and then subsequent layers with the LCD exposure. The LCD acts as a photo mask that cures one layer at a time. Instead of drawing each layer with a laser dot, this is more like a projection basically. So it's gonna do almost 50 times faster than any laser-based technology.